Hello everyone! Gawa naman ako ng new coffee talk of the night kasi wala pa yung amo ko, so naisipan kong gagawa ng new uh, videos for uh, uh, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga lahat na bumabati sa akin on my birthday last May 16, sa lahat na tumatawag, sa lahat na nagsisend ng message, at sa lahat na nagko-comment. Maraming salamat guys, and I love you all. At sa mga taong nakiselebrate on my birthday, thank you so much guys. At I'm so very have fun at karaoke with Ate Che and Marian, with my little boy and Marian san, Kazo, Kuya Kazo. And talagang I'm so very happy that day. At thank you very much to Kuya Koichi kasi bumili siya ng cake, at si Ate Cherry, binilhan nila ako ng cake. And the gift I received from them and to some friends. Thank you so much guys. And so very thankful to all of you kasi on my special day, nandyan kayo sa akin. I love you so much. And sana more, marami pa tayong birthdays to come and more blessings to come in our life, and healthy beauty always. At thank you always guys. At this summer, huwag niyong kalimutan silipin yung photo album ko na trendy 60 widgets na mga slip-on sandals for summer. Very affordable, very sexy, very elegant, very comfortable to wear. Kahit ako, yan ang ginagamit ko. Kahit may dala pa akong baby Haruki, talagang very comfortable talaga siya gamitin, at very nice, at napakaganda ang quality, at saka very affordable prices lang. Talagang atin-atin lang talaga ang presyo. Tsaka PM nyo lang ako or direct contact me. At let's have fun and let's enjoy our summer and the fashions. And to all my beauty amiga kikay like me, fashionistas, mother and not mother, please don't forget, check the silipin nyo yung 63 GWGs ko. Maraming style, maraming kulay. So enjoy, and contact nyo lang ako guys. And if malapit kayo, pwede ako mismo ang mag-deliver sa mga sandals nyo. At kung malayo kayo sa akin, please add shipping na lang. At thank you so much sa mga customers ko at sa mga nag-order sa mga sandals ko. I love you so much. Thank you.